Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to hide Pinterest profile from search engines. Maybe you value your privacy and you want to keep your Pinterest profile hidden from search engine results. So today I'm going to show you how to hide Pinterest profile from search engines. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Pinterest application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on this profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. On this page, tap on this three dots icon located at the top right corner. A menu will appear, and here, you should select this settings option. On this window, tap on this privacy and data option. Here, you will find various privacy settings for your Pinterest account. Here, you will see this search privacy option. Since you wanted to hide your profile from search engines, you simply need to toggle on this switch next to this option. After that, a menu will appear, and here it says that it will take several weeks for the search engine to hide your profile. After reading the contents of this menu, simply tap on this I understand button. After that, you now have successfully hidden your Pinterest profile from search engines. Your profile will no longer appear in search engine results after several weeks. There you go. If you wanted to know how to hide Pinterest profile from search engines, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to hide Pinterest profile from search engines, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.